Hey everybody, it may be snowing in your area like it is here today, but it might be a good time to get started for your spring seeds. For us, it is the perfect time. And today we're going to talk about why it is so great to start your own seeds, how to know when to do it, and how this biodome can help you get started. I'm now out here in our seed starting area that we have. We have this large rack that soon will be full of these biodomes. We love to start all of our own seeds for many reasons. Starting your own seeds can save you a whole bunch of money. Whenever you get a seed packet, you get all of those numbers of plants that you have in there of seeds, versus if you go and buy a transplant, you just get one plant, and it's usually about the same price for one transplant versus a huge packet of seeds. So it'll save you a lot of money in the long run. You can also pick from a countless amount of different varieties and unique ones that you can't always find in your local nursery or big box stores. You can get really fun colors and flavors and just so many unique things from starting your own seeds. And it's just a super fun thing to do, especially in the winter time. I love starting these seeds indoors because you get a little bit of green inside. It's an amazing thing to do with you and your family. And if you're unsure of when to go about starting your seeds indoors, make sure you check out the From Seed to Spoon app. In there, if you go to any of the plants that are in there, it'll tell you exactly the dates based on your local weather station and your frost dates when you should be planting these seeds indoors. So if you don't already have it, make sure to download it now. One of the mistakes that we made when we first started was buying cheap seeds and cheap seed starting equipment. And I will tell you, having the right seeds and having the right type of seed starting equipment makes a huge difference, especially with this biodome right here. These biodomes are super sturdy and can withstand a lot. They're gonna last you for a very long time. In fact, we got this one last year and it is still going super strong for us. Our cats get into our seed starting area all the time and they can walk on top of these and nothing happens. It is amazing. And stay tuned for the end of the video because we brought in some of our farm animals to help demonstrate exactly how tough and durable these really are. One of the amazing things about this is the climate control that this dome right here on top provides. It creates the perfect germinating environment for these seedlings inside, and you can even adjust up here with these vents. You can adjust how much air you let in or out, and it's amazing. So it holds your humidity really well, and in fact, I only put in one seed into each one of these sponges, and I have nearly a 100% germination rate. It is absolutely amazing. The biodome also helps to make watering easier too. On the sides over here, you can simply put some water down here in the sides and it'll help to water these seedlings from below. This will really help to prevent issues like dampening off and any sort of fungus issues. Having the ability to water from below whenever you're starting your own seedlings is essential to help. And once your seedlings are ready for transplant, it is super easy to pull them out. They have holes on the bottom. You can just push up on and pull out their little sponge right here and transplant directly into your garden. You can't beat the quality of this biodome seed starting system. It is absolutely amazing and I highly recommend it. So if that hasn't convinced you about the amazing quality of the biodome, maybe this will. We've been using the Park Seed Biodome and this other generic seed starting tray for the past year, and today we're gonna see which one holds up better. To help us test, we brought in a few helpers from our farm. First up is Joey. Next up, Miss Hallie is gonna help us out. And finally, for the biggest test, we have Miss Snow White right here. And she, if you can believe it, is only 2 months old, but she is a big girl. So she is going to do another test for us. And the winner is the Park Seed Biodome. As you can tell, there is nothing that compares to the quality of the biodome and how much it can withstand. So make sure that you check this out today. You will not be disappointed at all.